presenting the GMC 2017 Yukon SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are enhanced driver alert package, memory package, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose premium 9-speaker system, CD player and premium audio system, IntelliLink. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.